Hello everyone, welcome to the Fulnan Academy and Mtrade Software. So in a series of week gone by, we will see that how Nifty was in a previous week and what are the key levels for this week. So in a previous week, index was into the range bound momentum in the range of 15,000 to 15,250 level. Before then, that means we have seen that means very extraordinary momentum led by the budget announcement, and we have seen the very strong momentum, and in the previous week there was a kind of the range boundness. If you look at from the sector perspective, so in a previous week, small cap has started to pick up quite well, and from past couple of the weeks it is doing quite well. So small cap is in a stock, it is finding the good tractions, followed by the IT reality stocks, and yes, mid cap stocks is taking a pace. So as far as sectoral and strategic index are concerned, so from a strategic index perspective, the small caps and mid caps are doing well in compared to the broader market. There was some mild underperformance or a pause by the Nifty banking stocks and private banking stocks after having the good upside momentum, but they are also in this week they are also trying to give a certain kind of positive momentum. So again, these sectors can pick up its momentum. From a underperforming sector, the pharma or kind of the defensive sectors, the pharma, media, FMCG, PSU banks, they have underperformed. So this is what the texture of the previous week. So in this week, with an opening over here, we have seen that means index has given the breakout from its previous consolidation range, and the previous consolidation range was 250 point. So based on this Miser rule, we can say that the next best upside potentials can be 15,500 level for the index, based on the range of the consolidation patch. And in a short term, market stays into the positive momentum because market kept on respecting its support level and disrespecting the resistance, which is in a mark of a positivity. So view remains a positive for the 15,500 level, and on the downside the view remains a positive or index stays into the bulls territory as far as index stays above the 15,000 level, so which is nothing but in the bottom of this consolidation patch. So as far as the bottom of consolidation patch is hold, we can say that the index is into the positive momentum. From a sectoral perspective, we can have an eye on the Nifty bank stocks. So after a mild declining momentum, they have started to pick up its momentum on the high side. So again, we can find some tractions from the banking space. Secondly, we need to be a little bit cautious that normally there is one thing which is called as a buying climax. So buying climax normally occurs after the good upside momentum happened, and at again index has started to form a very strong bull candle. So in this particular month we are seeing a very strong bull candle, and in a history also we have seen that means majority of the time the major tops has happened in the first quarter of a calendar year. So the possibility of buying climax plus we are in the area where there is a history of formation of the major tops. So from a positional perspective we need to be cautious, but that cautiousness we can exercise once the price dips below 15,000 level. So it creates some kind of a short-term negativity if the prices are sustaining below this level. So from a short-term perspective, view remains a positive till 15,000 level, and on the high side of 15,500 can be the next best resistance point for us. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the educational purpose only. Thank you so much.